Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside of this helmet bag, we have something absolutely amazing for you. This is an all-new graphic for what has very quickly ascended to our #1 selling helmet in the premium helmet category. This is the Alpinestars S-R10 Arius helmet. This is the blue with the carbon and the white colorway. I've installed the included dark smoke shield because it looks amazing on the helmet. God, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. This helmet includes the helmet bag that we showed you. It ships with a smaller optional spoiler if you want to install this. Slide it out of a little protective bag here. All right, if you prefer that over the larger GP style, all right, that is included. Ships with both a clear and a dark smoke shield. Protective bag as well, kind of cool. A pin lock fog-free max vision insert. You want fog-free performance, nothing beats pin lock. And it also ships with your first set of race tear-offs if you choose to use those. The all-new Arius SR10 Blue Carbon.